Inhale. Stop. That was a really long breath there. Shall we all try?
A core tenet of Therme Art's mission is inspiring well-being through artistic initiatives that actively engage and connect with communities. This vision is brought to life through projects like Today I Feel Like.
How do I feel right now when I breathe in, all the way to my stomach, and when I exhale?
What began as a personal practice by Danish artist Jeppe Hein was commissioned by Therme Art in 2020 as an ongoing workshop series for children focusing on mental well-being.
My artwork is playful, it's about who are you really, it's about reflecting the surrounding and you.
The project's first iteration launched in partnership with the Manchester International Festival in 2021. Since then, Today I Feel Like has engaged over 1,200 children across Manchester, Sibiu, and Bucharest. Building on this success, we aim to continue inspiring self-expression and mindfulness among young people in more of Therme Group's key cities.
Die waren sehr ungeduldig, die Boxen aufzumachen und zu schauen, was da drinnen ist.
Are you ready? Yeah! 1, 2, open the box! What's inside the box?
In each workshop, children receive a custom painting kit designed by the artist and are guided through meditative breathing exercises, followed by a painting activity that reflects their feelings in the present moment.
First, you start to paint your breath. Take some paint on your brush, and then on your next exhale, you're more calm, feeling right here, right now. And then you close your eyes and you paint a face, and don't think too much, just do it. How do I feel right now?
Today I feel excited.
Any kind of feeling is okay. It's not about saying what you are, it's about feeling. How can I express that?
Confused. Giddy.
By integrating mindfulness and creativity, Today I Feel Like encourages children to connect with their emotions and engage in deeper introspection.
I learned that if you breathe in and out, it will calm you down.
I think it's really important to bring wellbeing exercises into the classroom. I think it brings things to life for children.
I felt really confident. Astăzi m-am simțit foarte bine. Mi-a plăcut să pictez.
Die Kinder hüpfen durch die Schule ganz glücklich nach diesem Workshop.
After each workshop, the children's paintings are digitally archived on the project's website and are intended to be exhibited in collaboration with Therme Art's cultural partners and within Therme Wellbeing Centers.
I wish and hope that the students and the young people will be inspired by art, using this tool for well-being in their everyday life.